So let's talk about the brake. The brake is controlled by an electronic switch. Here, a relay. This relay has to get power from someplace. So on the 24-volt block, because it's a 24-volt relay, this back wire is for the brake. It runs up the cable track and goes in to brake 1 positive. When the relay closes, then voltage can flow into brake 2, and brake 2 wire goes down here, over here, and into CHM 10. CHM stands for connector home 10. I have stripped that down to just 2, 10 and 11, but on some machines you're going to have 1 through 9 plus 10 and 11. We'll talk about that later, but this is the brake simplified. So CHM 10 then sends voltage up through this connector, up a cable to your machine, and it comes out at a connector at the brake at the top of the arm. It does not matter which red or black goes in which position, because you notice both these wires are white, and so voltage can flow in one side and out the other, or in the other side and out the first side. It doesn't make any difference. But there is a connector at the top of the arm for the brake. All right, now voltage has to flow back through that same cable, and it has to come into CHM 11, and go down to CHM 11, a black wire, go over here, down, and to the terminal blocks for 0 volts. So I'm still on the second one. Remember, we've got the clamp wire in the front, we've got the blade wire in the back and in the middle, and we've got the brake wire clear in the back level. All right, now that's the power side of things. The control side of things, the motion controller uses Output-6 on the ICM 2900. That's a blue line. It goes over and up and over into the brake relay to 3+. And like the blade, this relay can take 3 to 32 volts DC. The motion controller does 5 volts, so we can switch this relay. It needs a return line, so this is the black line, and it goes over here and it goes down this cable track and it goes to the 3rd terminal block, clear in the back, and that's the brake 0 volt line. The clamp only doesn't run with a relay, so it doesn't have a line in this position. But the blade is run with a relay, so it has a line for 0 volts for the relay, and the brake has a line for 0 volts for the relay. So this control configuration only uses 2 outputs, Output-6 and Output-2. Output-6 is the brake, Output-2 is the blade head. That's the circuit for the brake.